Let's view the giving history on one of our donors. And remember, this is stored centrally regardless of where the activity occurs, whether it occurs in our customer-facing point-of-sale application for admissions and merchandise, whether it occurs in membership offices, whether it occurs in dining or on the web. It doesn't matter. You can see that we can see each and every donation that has been made. We can pull up the donation and view it right on the screen and see all of the information that was collected, whether it be honoree or notification information or company matching or comments. That's all stored right in the system. Beyond that, though, we can also see other things that occur with our donors. So we're not just limited to the donor data. We're able to see historical data, dollars they spent with us this year, last year in life, number of times they visited, average purchase. We can even see areas of interest that they have in the organization. So I know they make donations, that's important to us, but we also can see what they're buying, what events they're attending, memberships that they have. All of that's in a central repository that can be viewed by our fundraising staff and our development staff. Again, we can see all membership statuses. We can see even down to the level of every product or service that they've availed themselves of in the organization. A lot of great information that's available for us in the system. TAM has robust reporting capabilities in many areas of the system, but when it comes to donation collections and tracking, the revenues and sales that have occurred can be reported on a number of different ways. Don't forget that many of the reports in TAM have the capability to do any type of date range collection that you like, so you could see donations collected for a day, a week, a month, a year. You can filter those to specific types of donations or groups of donations, and you can also sort and filter, again, group those reports the way you'd like to see them. One of the reports I'd like to show you just quickly to give you a feel for that is the daily totals report. This is one of the basic reports that shows financial data for the fundraising activities, and we can see any types of donations that were made, how many in total, what forms of payment were accepted for those, and again, this can be run for any time frame. We also can drill down a little bit finer into what we call a SKU movement report. It's going to allow us to see the particular designations, campaigns, and SKUs that we've established and how many of each we've collected in those dollars. Again, I ran this for a single day in this demonstration or illustration, but it can be run for any period of time at all. And don't forget that all this data can be exported to any other Office application like Excel or anything like that. TAM also has capabilities to report donations based on campaign or by donor. For example, this is donations by customer, which would be donor, and we're able to see this for any date range that we want, and we can also filter it for certain customers in the system as well through our filtering capabilities. We can preview the report, and that report's going to contain for the time frame you've selected, all the various customers who have made donations and all the various donations that they have made. We also have the capability to produce a report that's by SKU, which would be by campaign. So we're able to see all the customers who have donated to various campaigns or donation SKUs in the system as well. Another way to view donor data in TAM is to view a very detailed donation listing, and this listing will contain capabilities to select by date range or by donation type. The report will contain all the information regarding the donor, regarding all the information, whether it be honoree, company matching, amount, even transaction IDs and so forth to reference back, contact information, phone numbers, email addresses. All of this information is displayed in this listing. This listing also, just like all of them, once previewed, can be shared to Excel. So again, all this information can be exported for use by other applications or other desktop applications.